Video 26, Water-Based Cooking Methods. This is Mrs. G revises food prep. There are 5 main water-based cooking methods you need to know about: boiling, steaming, blanching, poaching, and braising. So boiling. Boiling involves cooking food by heating it in a pan of boiling liquid, which is usually water. The types of food that are boiled include tougher cuts of meat, potatoes, rice, pasta, and vegetables. It's quite a harsh method of cooking and can't be used on delicate foods because the bubbles would break up the food. Overboiling also makes food like pasta far too soft and can be quite gluggy. Boiling is a healthy way to cook as no fat is added. However, if veg is boiled for too long, the colour, flavour and water-soluble vitamins, so B and C, are lost in the water. Boiled food is often not as tasty or attractive as food cooked by methods like roasting and can be quite difficult to see. However, boiling food in a small amount of water with a lid covering the pan uses less energy than other methods such as roasting or simmering. Steaming means cooking food with steam from boiling water or stock. Foods you can steam includes fish, rice and vegetables. No fat is added, and because there is no direct contact with the water, the vegetables keep more of their taste, texture, colour and nutrients than if they'd been boiled. This makes it the healthiest way to cook. However, food may not have as much flavour compared to fried or roasted food. Steaming is a gentle method and it's suitable for delicate foods, even like fish. Blanching involves part cooking food in boiling water for a very short time before putting it in cold or even iced water. The cold stops the cooking process and helps to preserve colour, texture and vitamins. Blanching can be used to remove harsh flavours in food, such as raw onions. Blanched will give them a really mild taste. Blanching foods like tomatoes and almonds make their skins shrivel up, making skin removal much easier. It's also used to prepare food for freezing, so it's part cooked and it removes a lot of the bacteria that can cause problems in the freezer. Poaching involves cooking food in a pan of liquid below boiling point, so usually around 80 degrees. The type of food that are poached includes eggs, fruit and fish. Poaching is a gentle way to cook and it helps keep the food tender. Like with boiling, nutrient and flavours are transferred to the liquid, lowering the nutritional content and tastiness of the food. However, if food is poached in a tasty sauce, such as fish in white sauce, the food absorbs the flavours and therefore the nutrients. So if you're serving it with the food, it works really well. Braising. Braising involves slowly cooking food in an oven-proof pot that has the lid on and contains liquid, usually water, stock or wine, and often herbs and vegetables. Food is cooked in the covered pot by a mixture of simmering and steaming. It's a great method for big or tough joints of meat because the gentle cooking of the meat helps to tenderize it. Before meat is braised, it's usually lightly fried to brown and seal. This helps to keep the juices inside the meat and gives it a caramelized flavour. Many stews start like this. The flavours from the liquid and any vegetables and herbs in the pot are also absorbed by the meat. That's the 5 methods you need to know